So, hey everyone, this is Anna Alexander, and I do hope that you've enjoyed what we've been bringing to you on Dish About the Dish. And I'm here to talk about a little side bit of the channel we are going to launch soon. I'm actually in the midst of a move, and as I was packing, I came across this little hidden jewel, which is the International Bartender's Guide. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I enjoy my cocktails. I mean, I do have that hashtag, what would Anna drink? And I even have buttons made to commemorate my love of a good cocktail. But I have my go-to. When I go out, I like to enjoy what the bartenders will come up with, or the specialty cocktails of that certain place. Because mixology, to me, it's an art, it's a science. Not everyone can do it, because there's a method to the madness. You can, one drop of something can change it from delicious to just nightmare inducing. But when I'm at home, I have my go-to whiskey-based drinks, which is my ginger whiskey, an Irish mule, or my Irish coffee. If I'm feeling not frisky, I'm not feeling frisky. But if I have it on hand, I'll do a dark and stormy. But usually I just have my 3 or 4 that I like. So knowing that there are over 1,200 cocktails boggles my mind. What could they be? So we're gonna endeavor to do that together. I have not used this at all. It is dated, copyrighted 1996. You can see the pages are yellowed out. I don't know who gave it to me, but 1996 is when I turned 21, so it could have been a part of a birthday gift. Yeah, so we're gonna do these all, not every day, because that could be a problem, drinking a cocktail every day. And we are going to do this as responsibly as possible, because while it could be fun, I do understand drinking is not for everyone and it could be dangerous. But we are going to start with the A's. It's like the Abbey cocktail. It's a gin-based drink, so maybe we'll do 3 or 4 other next alphabetically based gin drinks. Which means absinthe. Absinthe's gonna be on the top of that list, and that's gonna, absinthe. That's gonna be an interesting one. So I do hope you join us when we launch Dish About the Dish Happy Hour. I looked online, and these aren't really in print anymore. This specific version, I thought I saw a couple, but they do have other versions of this, so I don't know if you want to join along, but I hope you do. So hit subscribe and the notification bell when we bring you Dish About the Dish Happy Hour.